With Knox, it only took us a few months to be FedRAMP Moderate authorized with a new product that we had. I'm Chris Duplantis. I'm VP of Sales Engineering at Armis. Armis is the leading cybersecurity exposure management platform. We're ultimately trying to accomplish implementing our zero trust architecture. We needed a solution that could accommodate both our FedRAMP High and IL5 certifications, as well as something that was easy to implement at an enterprise level. We tried a few other IDPs, and the reality is they don't provide access management, and you have to do those as separate layered tools. Okta was a one-stop shop in order for us to do everything in one solution. So we implemented Okta Verify, and using biometrics, all of our employees are able to log into all of our enterprise systems and only get access to those applications or systems that they're supposed to, enabling our zero trust architecture. For our FedRAMP and IL5 environments, we're using FIPS 140-3 hardware keys and binding that to specific hardware as part of our security protocols. We had a new product and we had to get it to market very quickly in FedRAMP Moderate in order to satisfy our customers' needs. We knew Knox Systems was the right fit because of how easy it was to turn over the project to Knox, and they really provided a turnkey solution in getting our product FedRAMP Moderate authorized in a number of months as opposed to a number of years. Since working with Knox, we're able to service our largest customers. This way they're able to use our MSSP portal at the department level and manage multiple instances of Armis at the agency levels. The biggest benefit we've seen using both Okta and Knox Systems together is that Knox also uses Okta. We're able to use a single vendor across our multiple platforms, Enterprise, FedRAMP High, and FedRAMP Moderate with Knox, in order to enable our zero trust architecture across our entire enterprise. We're fortunate that we made a lot of good choices up front. By choosing Okta as our IDP and access management tool, it saved us a lot of pain. And by choosing Knox in order to get FedRAMP authorization for a new product, it saved us a lot of time.